Hey guys! Today we have our January Boxycharm. This is the first Boxycharm unboxing of 2019 and my cat, Sasha! I swear when she finds anything in this house, she just like has to tear at it. Anyway, Boxycharm, it's a monthly subscription service that sends you goodies to your house every single month for a small fee. I will put a link in the description box for you guys if you are interested in signing up. Disclaimer, that is an affiliate code. So if you don't want me to get paid by you signing up, just go to Boxycharm directly and sign up. No harm, no foul. Okay, let's get right into this month. First box of 2019. I'm very excited. I haven't seen any teasers for it yet. This is what it looks like. Let's check out the card. I already see some really dynamite things. The card is Boxy and Chill. I love this color combination. This kind of lavendery, pink and lavendery, you know, dreamy kind of look. I like that. Alright, so let's just jump right in. First thing I see here is from Briogeo. This is called the Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is an MSRP of $12. It helps restore your hair softness, manageability, moisture, and shine. That's awesome because my hair is so dry right now. I don't know what's going on. A month ago it started. I started getting dry spots all over my body. I don't know what the deal is. But yeah, so that's what I'm living with right now. So hopefully this can get maybe my scalp under control. I know it says for hair, but you know, put a little on my scalp too. Maybe it'll help my little dry spots. Okay, so the next thing is from Ofra. So let's pull that out. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick. Okay, I had to kick Sasha out and shut the door because she was being so bad. This is the color Havana Nights, which I believe I already have. It's like a dark burgundy. It's a really beautiful color. This is an MSRP of $20. A matte liquid lipstick that delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills the lips. So I've used Ofra liquid lipsticks before. I have the collaboration he did, one of them with Kathleen Lights. It was really pretty. I don't want to open this up and put it on because I do believe I have it somewhere. I don't want to stop and go digging for it, but it's somewhere in my house. But this looks like a pretty dark burgundy for the winter. So okay. I don't want to like go messing with that right now, but it is really pretty. Okay, so the next thing I see here is, let's see, from Tarte. It is a limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyebrow Palette Volume 3. This is MSRP of $36. Let's see what this little puppy is about. I love Tarte. I'm a big fan of their eyeshadows. Yeah, all right, so let's check this out. The packaging is beautiful. Tarte always locks down those eyeshadows. Oh, that's really pretty. And it's got a nice full mirror, which we love. Let's put a couple of these on. I love Tarte's eyeshadows. They're so nice. Just for like a little shiny lid, shall we? Just a little shiny lid, if you will. And these highlights, like these shades, all look really nice that you could probably put a lot of them on your cheeks, actually. I'm gonna go for a nice brow bone highlight as well. Oh yeah, look at how pretty that is. I never have complaints about Tarte eyeshadows. I always love them. I've always been a fan. I've always been a Tarte advocate. Okay, so that's a nice palette, and that again is $36. The next thing here is from Tatcha. Okay, so Tatcha's jumping on the Boxy bandwagon. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. There's two of them in here. This is a value of $24, so I guess $12 each. And it says, nourish skin using the lightweight blend of a rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. We love anti-aging. I'm a big fan of dewy skin, so this is a skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy glow, luminous glow. Okay, so, all right, let's do it. Let's do it. I mean, not right now. Let's do it later. So we're definitely gonna try this out. This is for normal to dry skin, but my skin has been so dry this will help me out for sure. Okay, and again, that's $12 each, so it's $24 for the two. The last thing in here is from Universal Brow. It is a Universal Brow Pencil, which I don't know how they can claim it's universal. This is $18. It's probably a taupe. Let's see. It's like a dark brown. Like, it is so dark I can't even try it because it is that dark. So I will give this away, but Billion Dollar Brow, I have used I have a gel. I don't know if they still have it. I used to have like a gel, I don't have it anymore. Like a gel eyebrow setting gel, whatever. I used to use that all the time from Billion Dollar Brow, and it was a really good gel, and I know their products are very high quality. So, Boxycharm. I have to say, I feel like I'm lacking a little luster in this month's box, if I'm totally honest. Like, I will use the Briogeo leave-in conditioning spray, but like my hair, I don't know, like I've never been a huge fan of Briogeo. Okay, so let's just put that out there. I know a lot of people do really like them. I've never had great luck with them. The Ofra lipstick, again, I have it already. And I'm kind of over the long wearing lipstick, to be honest. I know a lot of you feel that way too. I'm kind of over it. I love the Tarte, I love the Tatcha, and the brow I can't use. So unfortunately this month was a little bit of a fail for me, but I'm sure a lot of people will get a lot of use out of these things. Right off the bat, 3 of the things I'm gifting away. So, unfortunately, sorry about that, Boxycharm. Kind of a miss for me this month. I hope you guys have better luck. I love you guys. If you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will still put the link in below, but I had to be honest, a little bit of a flop for me this month. I love you guys. Thank you for sticking by, and I will see you in the next video. So, I hate it when the box flops. Bye guys.